Hey guys, and welcome to Tie and Dye Pattern 5. The fabric is soaked in fixer for around 20 to 30 minutes and is now ready for the process. Let's start folding to create a tie and dye pattern number 5. We will start from the center. This pattern is called as the bull's eye pattern. Pinch in the center and lift the entire fabric. Start tying from the center going outwards. You can keep adding the rubber band at some distance. Your fabric is now ready for dyeing. Spread a plastic sheet to protect your work table and now place the tied fabric on a wire rack. Start to apply the dye for the bull's eye technique. I'm applying the dyes between the tied parts. I'm alternating the dark blue and the grey dye just like the Shibori style. Now, place your dyed project into a plastic bag or in a zip pouch for at least 6 to 7 hours for the process to set in. The wait is over and let's see how this bullseye pattern looks like. We will carefully remove the rubber bands and open this very slowly. This is so beautiful. So friends, here we have the bullseye pattern. Let this dry completely and then rinse in plain water and allow it to dry. This is the center part where we lifted and started tying the fabric and we've got this new pattern. Hey guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you how different tie and dye techniques are made. So stay tuned to What's Your Hobby. Watch the next video on how to tie and dye your t-shirt.